Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel for another amazing video. Today, as you can see, I'm kind of in the middle of doing my hair, but I definitely got to the front and I want to stop, take a minute and show you guys how I do these Senegalese twists. I do use the braid first method. Sometimes I just twist it to my root, but when I do it, I do get a little lazy. So they do kind of unravel within probably like 3 weeks, or they do come a little just not professional looking. So I try and braid it so it can stay to the root and hopefully not be as unraveled and hopefully look as good. So yeah, so I've been doing this style on my hair since I've been in high school. So what I do is I section it. I don't section it regularly. I don't use squares. I did section off a piece. I just took my finger and then just did the front. So what I use to get my ends in like a nice good hold is this edge booster. It really works. It is a little expensive. I think like $6.99 at your beauty supply store, but maybe that just might be us in Toledo. So I'm just gonna take one section. That's a little big for the front. Take a little bit off of that. Yeah, that's good. All right, so what I'm gonna do first, I am going to take a little bit of edge booster. I like that much. Rub it together and then just get my ends, because that's the most important part. That's the part that I really want to stay in my braid. And then I already did section off my hair. Took about this much. And then I don't take it right in the middle. I kind of take it like a little on the side. I do get pre-stretched hair, and I highly recommend getting pre-stretched hair because that saves you like 3-4 hours altogether that you have to sit there and just like stretch it out yourself. Because unless you're like me, I do it every braid at a time. I don't do like the whole pack. All right, so I'm gonna take this and take it around. And I'm going to just wrap it around my hair like that. And then after I have it wrapped, I am just going to start braiding. And then when I do my front, I use lesser tension because, I like to keep my edges. So I braid probably 5 or 6 down, and then it'll look like this. So then I'm just gonna twist it, and then twist this side, and then just wrap them as I remain twisting. And then as I get closer to the end of my actual hair, I take a little bit more. Then I just stick it right on the braid to make sure that it has a good hold. And then I just keep twisting. And then I just twist it all the way down. So I did not hot water boil my ends yet, so that's why they look a little weird and flumpy and weird looking. Once you do apply that hot water to the hair, it'll look more like laid down, everything. And then I just go all the way to the end so it doesn't unravel. Let's go all the way, and And I also will show you guys how I hot water boil my hair as well. All right, so there is that one. And I'll show you what it looked like. See? Just gonna throw that over there with the rest of them. So I have my section. And take my gel and get my ends. Have my hair. And the hair that I used is free tris. I will be showing you guys in the end, like after I do all my hot boil watering, is free tris braiding 101. I'll definitely mention it down below like normal, like always, and I'll mention the edge booster that I use as well. And it is color T350 because my hair is a little bit more copper than red than it was before. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. This comb is just like majorly in my way. All right, just gonna braid it. Take my gel and put it on the end of it and then keep going. And just go all the way down to the end. Sometimes if I just don't feel like going all the way down, I just take some of that edge booster and then just put it on the ends just because my hands get tired. Alrighty guys, and then that is how you Senegalese twist. I will be back to show you guys the finished product, show you guys how to do the hot boil, rinse, and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the almost finished product. Let me take the rest of them down. I had them just up. as you can see, it's a couple braids. I did get a little lazy towards the middle, but I mean, don't we all? That's why I definitely like prefer to get them done, but I don't like paying people to do what I can do or learn or teach myself what to do. And plus people be busting heads. Like my cousin asked me if I could do these and I told her 100. Cause I mean, they take me just all day with Elise. My fingers be hurting. Like it just, and that's like including the hair. Like I will go get you the right hair that you need and do them because I like a certain particular brand of hair. I will be showing you guys in a little bit after I hot water the ends of my hair. I did start to do the back. I did hot water the back just because I did have to go out and make some errands. So as you can see, they do look a little straighter. They look better, a lot better. I do have to go in after I finish doing the middle that I just finished. Have to go in and cut the ends and fix them. But other than that, I will show you guys how to hot boil. Be right back. Alright guys, so this is the brand that I do use. It's the Freetress Braid 101. Generally I get 18 inches just because when I try and get 16, they just really never have it. And then the color, like I said earlier in the video, I do have a copper color that I have going on right now. So it's, I don't remember, sorry, I just gotta slide it down. It's the 2-time braid T350 18 inch. And like I said, what I like about this hair is that it's already pre-stretched, so that that saves so much time for me in the end, because I literally just grabbed some hair, braided it, put it up, and I was perfectly fine. So yeah, I used about 10 packs of hair, 9 to 10 packs of hair. I did do like more medium-ish braids than I generally do. So generally I do smaller braids. So yeah, I'll probably leave these in for probably maybe 3 weeks. I do get bored with my hair really quickly, but I just know that I'm tired of actually doing my hair for the moment. So yeah, I'm at that stage right now where I just don't feel like doing my hair. So I'm pretty sure every girl can relate, or every person actually can relate. So yeah. Alright, so now I will be showing you guys the boiling of the water to the ends technique. Is technically not boiling, like it just started boiling, but it's crazy hot and I'm really impatient, so I'm gonna just do it. It still works the same. I mean, it's crazy hot, so it doesn't make a difference. And then I'm going to take my towel just so I don't actually burn my freaking self. All right, and then just because, like I said, I already did most of them, well, 3/4 of my hair, I just split it in half all over again. So, and then I kind of just split it in fourths. And then here's my top fourth. I'm just gonna take it and dip. I like to dip it really deep to make sure that everything's all good. And then I just straighten out the ends. So there is that one. Grab my other fourth. Whew, glass is fogging up. All right. And then this is the last fourth. Bro, you can like see the steam of this water coming up. Okay. And then I just kind of let the towel catch the water. I mean, I'm about to get in the shower anyway, so I don't really mind a wet back. But hey, that's still really uncomfortable. Alrighty. I feel like you guys see me in a cape all the time. So, this is how it looks final. Not like in a bun or style or anything. I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. Ooh, I was like, what in the world? I'm pretty happy with them. I mean, I think I do a good job every time I do these, and then every time I do get better, and every time I do find a different hack when I do these. So I will go upstairs and put some leave-in spray in. It's my favorite leave-in spray. Well, one of my favorites. I got like 3. But yeah, it's one of my favorite leave-in sprays, and then I will let you guys go. But I know it's in the middle of the video, but if you still have not liked, commented, subscribed, make sure you don't pause it. Don't do that to me. Make sure you just scroll down and then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for me. All right, I'll show you that spray and I'll let you guys go. Alright guys, so this is the spray that I use. It's the Baby Don't Be Bald Olive Oil Leave-In. Rejuvenates, relax, and natural hair moisturize and condition. This one right here. And we're gonna spray it like such. Gotta get the edges. My edges that don't exist, shall I say. So I try and get my roots, and then after I get my roots, I try and work down. So you're at like 9, but you tried to play number 7. Alrighty. And then, so I can go to bed. Obviously, I'm going to put a satin scarf on. I actually stole it from my mother. She steals my scarves all the time, so I feel like it's just, you know, due diligence. So I'm gonna put a satin scarf on, and then that will be it. So sorry guys, I know it's the end of the video, but catch you guys next Saturday, Sunday when I upload the next one. Peace out.